Presiden ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba Vincent H. Pala ulakno bagi Khyrdop Beain hi ki badon hasilenter ki surok ba haga Jylla ki dei ki ATM jong ka Sorkar Jylla kumta om tharai bana Kylleng ka Sorkar Jylla kan simkhia banwengi kini ki Khyrdop Beain. Ulak dauru ki Khyrdop da kabaong lada late national sa nongstoin la bani i ki Khyrdop Beain suda hagaba tangpoi hamaungam bat kumju lada late na nongstoin sa sona pahar ki Khyrdop lumpisa Beain suda. Uba pala ulak dauru habaya syakathan yau maulong swaban poi ha yau maulong kandon ka wei ka Khyrdop lumpisa Beain bat hadin balakut ka yau maulong don sa ka wei ka Khyrdop ha jowai bypass ki artli ki Khyrdop lumpisa katba haslong bypass ki don hadu kumban riu lani nyau tli ki Khyrdop lumpisa Beain. Uba pala ulo ongru baladayai na bypass na berni har syarata cera ki don hadu kumba arpau artli ki Khyrdop lumpisa Beain hagini ki surak ba bat anamlap hakanu kanu ka jaka hari India bandon bun ki Khyrdop lumpisa Beain kumbadon haga Jylla Meghalaya.
Illegal gates are the ATMs of the governments only. So there's no question of the government is not needing to shut down. I'll be happy if you travel from here to Nongstoin and you see you just cross everywhere there are gates. Just before reaching Maungap there'll be a gates and you cross, then you see that in the areas where Bahrol's near his home. Near his house also, you just cross a little bit, there's a gate. You go to Nongstoin, there's a gate. You go to Snapar, there's a gate. So there are gates in that highways. And if you go to bypass, from bypass, if you cross from Berni right to Ratashara, you see that almost 22 check gates are on the way. Nowhere in India you have so much check gates. So there's a check gates for the cow, there's check gate for the vegetables, there's a check gate for timber, there's a check gate for coal, there's a check gate for human beings, and there's a check gate for check gates only, there's nothing is there. And if you see in Umolong, before reaching Umolong there's a gate, after crossing Umolong there's a gate, and you see in Jowai bypass, there's short distance in Jowai bypass, there are I think 2 check gates. Short distance in Shillong bypass, there you see the 6-7 check gates. So I think there's this totally loot of the people, and the people are suffering. So it's not like it's a reality of some.